and welcome to Plan Make Play. I'm Em, a doll enthusiast, and today we are going through my latest thrift haul. So while out Christmas shopping, I stumbled upon a few items for the dollhouse. So the first item we're going to look at are some shelves. So I have shown my little area in a previous video just for a moment, but space is at a premium where I am doing this, so I found these two shelves that I thought would be perfect to hang on the wall. They do have hooks on the back, or not hooks, but so I think with a little bit of paint, these can be great shelves for the dolls. Because right now I am using a large dollhouse I bought for a project, basically as storage. So I think these will be great to store Mary and Ben, and maybe a few things that I use routinely closer at hand and out of the way. And all they really need is a fresh coat of paint, and I think they'll be perfect. They were $3.99 each, which is not bad, I think. The next items we're going to take a look at are these dolls that are in bags. This store has only recently started putting these in bags, just in the last 6 months or so. So now I have been on the hunt for a standard Ken doll who can be a skin tone match for Ben. Because Ben is technically a Disney prince, he does not quite fit the standard Ken clothes. His waist is a little big. These shorts do not close in the back. So I'm on the hunt for a skin tone match because I do like his face. So these two bags of dolls I got were specifically to try to find a Ken body donor for Ben. So the first bag does have a Millie, who is not articulated, so I'm not interested in keeping her. I will probably keep her outfit, though. Her outfit is cute. I do like the shoes. So, keep the outfit, probably redonate the doll. And another reason to donate her joints are very loose, and she is only just barely standing. So the real reason I bought that particular bag was this Ken doll. For modesty purposes, I did put shorts on him. He was nude. So unfortunately, he is too tan to be a skin tone match for Ben. However, I really like his look. I'll probably hang on to him because I don't have many boy dolls anyway, and I only have one standard Ken, so it'd be nice to have a boy doll who can actually fit the clothes I can find for him. And then the second bag had two male dolls. The first is this Ken, which I actually already have. I believe he's a fashionista. And again, for modesty, I added the shorts. So unfortunately, he is a duplicate. I really like his face, which is why I already have him, but he will be being redonated. And the reason I got that second bag was this. This is a G.I. Joe figure, and I was hoping that he would be a skin tone match for Ben, but he is too tan. I really like his face. He's got the G.I. Joe scar. He has amazing neck articulation. This thing is covering up a lot of it. But he has amazing neck articulation. But the thing that really got my attention are his hands. He has articulated fingers. How awesome is that? So he can pinch his thumb and his forefinger. His other fingers also move. How awesome is that? His legs are also quite articulated. So that's awesome. Unfortunately, his arms only have the basic movement, but even though he is not a skin tone match, I'm still definitely keeping him. I really, really like his face, and he can, I'm so excited for him to be able to hold things. That's just awesome. So I'm not sure how he's going to fit into Mary and Ben's little world, but we will find a way. I also don't know how I'm going to find clothing that will fit him, but we will find a way. So that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty excited about him. And that's where I'm going to end this video today. The other items I got on this trip each deserve their own video, so those will be forthcoming. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.